Welcome to preschool, my friend. I am so glad you're here. Last week in preschool, we learned about hands and all the many wonderful things that you can do with your hands. Have you been practicing washing your hands really well to make sure that you get them all clean? That is so great. This week in preschool, we're learning about oceans. 5 fun facts about oceans. First fact is oceans cover almost all the earth. There is more water from the oceans than there is land. It's big and it's beautiful and it's blue. Fact number 2 is there's all kinds of creatures that live in oceans, from great big giant whales all the way down to tiny little plankton. They're just so itty bitty. There's all different varieties. Do you have a favorite sea creature? If I was going to say what my favorite sea creature would be, it is a seahorse. What's yours? Fact number 3 is that there's also sea grass, seaweed, trees, flowers. They all grow under the water in the ocean. And they have a very special job. They help us have air to breathe out here on top. Isn't that cool? Everything that goes on in the ocean is very important to us. Fact number 4 is that ocean water is very salty. It's not water that we would drink. It's not at all like the fresh water that you have in your homes and that you drink every day. But it's the special kind of water that those sea creatures need to live and survive. And fact number 5 is oceans are very, very, very deep. Think of a really tall mountain. As high as that mountain is, an ocean is even deeper than the mountain. And there are volcanoes in the ocean. Isn't that wonderful? We are going to have such a great week learning about oceans, about the letter E, and we're even going to do a new math skill. It's called graphing. I think you're really going to like it. Now, while you're learning and growing and doing, I want you to remember something very important. It is this: you are special. There is no one in the whole world or in the whole ocean exactly like you.